सो हे गाइस वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। सो आज हम इस वीडियो में क्या करने वाले हैं, जीपीएससी जेएसओ प्री स्क्रीनिंग 2022 का जो शिफ्ट 2 वाला पेपर है ना, उसको आज हम कंप्लीट करेंगे। ठीक है, सो वी कैन स्टार्ट विद दिस शिफ्ट 2 पेपर। अगेन आई एम मेंशनिंग अगेन, लैंग्वेज विल बी ट्राई मल्टी लैंग्वेज, दैट इज कोंकणी, हिंदी और इंग्लिश। ठीक है, वट एवर आई एम कंफर्टेबल विथ वाइल एक्सप्लेनिंग आई विल एक्सप्रेस इन दैट लैंग्वेज। ओके, सो डोंट माइंड। So we will start with this thing, and also I might also speak Konkani, so please मातशें मनार घेय नाका, कोंकणी बी उलयता जाल्यार. Okay, since being a गोंयकार my mother tongue is Konkani, so I wouldn't mind talking in Konkani. ठीक है, so let's go. We are given this alphanumeric series. We are told that if all the even numbers are skipped, ठीक है, what are the even numbers we know? 2, 4, 6, 8. ठीक है, since all digit are single digit, so we'll stick till 8 only. Okay, these are all even digits. Okay, they are skipped. Okay, so this 8 is skipped, this 6 is skipped, this 4 is skipped, this 2 is skipped. What else is skipped? Okay, nothing else is skipped, all are odd, remaining are odd. Okay, so if these numbers are skipped, then find the product of the numbers that come between second vowel from the right end. Okay, second vowel is u and end, u and where is the end? Okay, this numbers. Okay, so we have 3 7s are 21. Okay, so answer is B. What we are given here is that we are given some series. Okay, how is this series following, by the way? Okay, first comes P, then we miss the Q, then R, S, T, U, V, W, then we should get X. Okay, how is this following, by the way? 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8 plus 5, 8 plus 4, by the way, 8 plus 4, and 12 plus 5, it should be 17. Okay, then we have C, D, E, F plus 3, then L plus 3 will give how much? L, M, N, O, X, 17, and O. So yes, C is the answer. Okay, we'll do this one. A program is instituted in a particular state allows parents to prepay the children's future college tuition at current rates. So काय म्हणटा की एक प्रोग्राम आसा, तेंच्यानी एक प्रोग्राम दिला आनी त्या प्रोग्रामान अशें आसा की पेरंट्स पयलींच पे करपाक शकता फ्युचर कॉलेज ट्युशन रेट्स जितलो आसा ते पेरंट्स पयलींच पे करपाक शकता. ओके, द प्रोग्राम देन पेज द ट्युशन एन्युअल फॉर द चायल्ड एट एनी ऑफ द स्टेट पब्लीक कॉलेजीस इन वीच द चायल्ड एनरोल. जितले आवय बापायनी पे केला पयशे, प्रीपे केला एडवान्सान, कळ्ळें, कॉलेज कितें करतले, ते पयशे घेवन त्या कॉलेजीन ते मतलब फीस पे करतले, कॉलेजीक पे करतले ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द स्टुडंट ऑर द चायल्ड इन दॅट कॉलेज इन वीच द चायल्ड एनरोल्स. ओके, हेजो तो मिनींग आसा. पेरंट्स शूड पार्टिसिपेट इन द प्रोग्राम. मेन मोटीव कितें आसा पेरंट्साचो पार्टिसिपेट करपाक? एज अ मिन्स ऑफ डिक्रिजींग द कॉस्ट फॉर द चिल्ड्रन्स एज्युकेशन, कॉलेज एज्युकेशन. ओके, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इफ ट्रू इज द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट रिजन फॉर पेरंट्स टू नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द प्रोग्राम. ओके, ऑप्शन्स आसा ते म्हणटा सपोज हे ट्रू आसा जाल्यार खंयचो असो रिजन आसा दॅट पेरंट्स शूड नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द प्रोग्राम. ओके, विल सी द ऑप्शन्स नाव. द पेरंट्स आर अनशुअर अबाउट which public college in the state the child will attend. This sounds very absurd because of course the child knows in which college is he gonna or she gonna enroll. Okay, so this is definitely wrong. The amount of money accumulated by putting the prepay funds is an interest bearing account today will be greater than the total cost of tuition for any public colleges in which the child enrolls. The annual cost of tuition at state public college expected to increase a faster rate than the, okay, of course this is the reason, that's why they're taking that, right? This is the reason. So तांकां मातशें सवाय पडटलें ताका लागून. So this cannot be the answer because we need to find that not parents should not participate in the program. Some of the states public colleges are contemplating large increase in the tuition. This is wrong, so we are only left with this. Okay, which of the following figures will complete the pattern? So this is your figure, we need to find the missing figure. Okay, this cannot be, see, this should extend this way, right? So this cannot be, this cannot be, we are confused between this and this. If you look at this here also, we should have one rectangle something like this, right? And this cannot be, so only A is the option. Okay, we have a man who is facing west. This is your north, south, east and west. A man is facing this way. Okay, a man is facing this way, he turns 45 degrees clockwise. Okay, he turns this 45 degrees clockwise and another 180 degrees in the same direction, that means clockwise. He turns from this way to this way, which is this, right? And then 270 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction, then he again turns this way, 180 plus 90 more this way, which is 270. Okay, so this entire angle is 270. So he is in this direction right now. So in which direction is he facing now? We know this is your north, this is your south, east and west. Okay, so this is your southwest, by the way, this is your southwest. Option is D. I'll explain this one some other day, or maybe in the part 2 of the paper, because this is a very lengthy one. Even I took a lot of time to solve this and make myself also understand how is this, right? So I'll show you this in the later part of the video, or maybe the next part. Okay, definitely don't worry for this. Even this one I'll show you later. Okay, this is the one you can solve by yourself. This is pure English or pure your vocabulary. Okay, I'll solve this one. I don't know if this is a right answer, because I tried my own way, I get the same answer. I tried even using Google or ChatGPT, I get the same answer that I'm getting. So I don't know if this question or this part was challenged later on after the final list was out. I don't know about that, but we'll still solve. How is it? Okay, so we'll write this name of the people. We'll draw this column in such a way. We have P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5, and we have A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, P1 cannot receive A1, A2 or A3. P1 cannot receive A1, A2 or A3. Okay, P2 can only receive A2 and A3. P2 can only receive A2 and A3. A4 can only be received by P3 or P4, means P3 or P4 can receive only A4. P3 or P4 can receive only A4. Okay, A1 can only be received by P4 or P5, means P4 or P5 can only receive A1. Okay, we are given these conclusions. We are told that P3 receives A3. P3 is receiving A3. No, case 1 is wrong. P4 receives A4. P4 is receiving A4. Yes, second statement is correct. Case 3, P5 receives A2. P5 is not receiving A2. P5 is only receiving A1. So this is wrong. So we are told to find in how many of the following cases can the distribution of the articles be uniquely determined. According to me, it should be only one case, but here I don't know. The answer they have given is 2 cases. I don't know. This question should be challenged. Sometimes what happens before challenging the question, they put up the question paper on the website. It also happens that way. Okay, because even Google cannot give you wrong answers as well. Even I myself cross-checked it. Okay, so we'll keep this on hold, but I hope you understand that whenever such thing they ask, you are supposed to do it this way. Drawing the tables, it becomes very easy. If you go to do it mentally, then it's very tough. Okay, pointing to boy, Saras said. Okay, Saras is saying something, pointing to some boy. His father's wife's brother is the only brother of my sister's father. Okay, boy is saying my sister's father, means boy's sister's father, means boy's father only. Okay, it's the boy's father only. Okay, brother of boy's father means boy's uncle, only brother. And we have the breakout over here, so this part is decoded, which is boy's uncle. We need to find this part. His father's wife's brother means father's boy's father's wife means boy's mother. Okay, and boy's mother's brother means boy's uncle. So this boy means Saras only, by the way. This boy means Saras brother. Okay, so Saras uncle is boy's uncle. So how is boy related to Saras? It should be cousin brother only. See, given the same alphanumeric series, we are told that if all the symbols are skipped from the series, then which of the following will be fifth to the right of the highest number of the series? What is the highest number over here? Is 9. We are skipping all the symbols. Okay, and fifth to the right of the highest number. Your highest number is 9. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is W. So your answer is option A. Oh, we need to find this. So this is very easy, by the way. 44. Okay, 44 minus 37 gives you 7, into 7 gives 49. 52 minus 41 gives 11, into 7 gives 77. We'll check again. 58 minus 53 gives us 5, into 7 is 35. So this one is correct according to that logic. So answer is C. This is a very interesting one. See what it is given, that F I G means E G H J F H. It means this F comes in between this G comes in between this. So E F G H I J F G H. Similarly for B I N, what it could be? This could be A B C H I J L M N O. So A C H J M O. A C H J M O. So option is D. Okay. I'll solve this one also for you. Fact 1, all metros have ring roads. See, we are given Delhi is a metro. Delhi is a metro. All metros have ring roads. First, Delhi has a ring road. Yes, option 1 is correct. This is correct. Delhi has a ring road. All metros have a population more than 5 million. This is not true. We have been told that Delhi has a population of more than 5 million. We are not talking about all metros. So this is false. All cities have a ring. No, this is also false. Okay. So only conclusion 1 is correct. That is this. Okay. So your option A is correct. So guys, we are given this. We are told that there is a word, second, fifth, seventh, and the ninth letter of the word are changed the second next letter. So we have done this thing. Okay, we have done this thing, and we are told that we have to arrange this new like word according to the alphabetical order. Okay, so we'll do this now quickly. So we have first A, then we have C and D. We have C and D. Then we have I. We have two I's over here. This and this. I, J, K, L. Then we have M. Then we have O. Then we have P. Then we have S. Then T. Then Y. Okay. So in the English alphabet, fourth letter from the left hand. This is the fourth letter from the left hand, and the sixth letter from the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to find how many letters are there between fourth letter from the left hand and sixth. We have I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So these are 5 letters by the way. So option is D. We have this thing. Insurance company X is considering issuing a policy to cover services required by elderly people who suffer from diseases that afflict the elderly. So it means एक insurance company आसा आमची ती consider करता एक policy काडपा. सो ती सर्विसीस प्रोवायड करतली जे आमचे एल्डर पीपल आसात न्हू, एल्डर लोक आसा तांकां लागून सर्विसीस काडपाक पळयता ते. कित्याक लागून? बिकॉज ते डिजीजीस सफर करता, सो तांकां मातशें बेनिफीट मेळपाक कसलो तरी. ओके. प्रिमियम फॉर द पॉलिसी मस्ट बिलो इनफ टू अट्रॅक्ट कस्टमर्स. ते प्रिमियम दवरता एंड बिलो ते एक तेंची थ्रेशोल्ड लिमीट आसा तेजे सकयलूच दवरता ते कस्टमर्साक अट्रॅक्ट करपा लागून. कस्टमर्स कोण? एल्डरली पीपल. देफोर कंपनी एक्स इज कन्सर्न. कंपनी एक्साक मातशें कन्सर्न सुद्दां आसा, तांकां टेंशन सुद्दां आयला की इनकम आसा फ्रॉम द पॉलिसीज वूड नॉट बी सफिशियंट इनफ टू पे फॉर द क्लेम्स दॅट वूड बी मेड. बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स ते एक प्रिमियमाचे सकयल दवरता, तांकां लॉस जावपा आसा. लॉस जाता जाल्यार कशें दितले पयशे ते, तो एक तेंचो कन्सर्न आसा. सो आतां मुखार आमकां क्वेश्चन विचारला की विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रॅटेजीज वूड बी मोस्ट लायकली टू मिनिमाइज कंपनीज एक्स लॉसीस ऑन दी पॉलिसी. ओके. सगळे पळोवया आमी. अट्रॅक्टिंग मिडल एज कस्टमर्स अनलायकली टू सबमीट क्लेम्स. दीस कॅन बी ए होल्डर दवरया आमी. ओके. Issuing only those individuals who did not suffer any serious disease. This is contradictory because ही पॉलिसी काडला कित्याक जेंकां डिजीज जाता तांकां बेनिफीट मेळपा लागून, आनी हांगा आमी तांकां घेतले जेंकां डिजीजूच जायना जाल्यार फायदो कितें पॉलिसीचो. सो दीस इज रॉंग. इन्क्लुडींग अ ग्रेटर नंबर ऑफ सर्विसीस इन दी पॉलिसी देन आर इन्क्लुडेड इन द अदर पॉलिसीज ऑफ लोअर कॉस्ट. दीस इज ऑल्सो रॉंग बिकॉज ऑलरेडी लोअर कॉस्टान खंयच्या दुसऱ्या कंपनीन आसता पॉलिसीज, ते थंय वयतले न्हू, आमचे कडेन कित्याक घेतले, रायट. Issuing only those individuals who are rejected by the other company. This is sounds very absurd. So we are left only with this. The option is the correct answer. Okay. Always focus on eliminating. ठीक आहे. राईट आन्सर काडपा वचनाका नका तुम्ही. एलिमिनेट करपाचेर फोकस करा एवरी टायम. कळ्ळें? राईट आन्सर काडपाक गेले मोस्ट चान्सीस आसता की रॉंग जातले ते. एंड आय एम टेलिंग यू दिस फ्रॉम माय एक्सपिरियन्स. वी नो डीयाच्या मागीर ई येता, सो सीयाच्या मागीर ऑफकोर्स डी येवपा जाय. B+2 सोडून आमकां ई मेळटा. BCDE. B+3 एंड J+3 JKLM. सो आमकां M जाय हांगा. ओके. U plus VWXYZ. U plus 5 gives Z. H plus 5 आमकां कितलो मेळटलो? HIJKLM again. So DMM. Option A. When Anup saw Sandeep, he recalled. जेन्ना अनूप संदीपाक पळयता ताणें कितें तरी रिकॉल केलें. ही इज द सन ऑफ द फादर ऑफ माय डॉटर्स मदर. अनूप म्हणटा माय डॉटर्स मदर म्हटल्यार ही अनुपाची वायफ. माय डॉटर्स मदर अनुपाची डॉटर, तेजी आवय, अनूप्स वायफ. फादर ऑफ माय वायफ अनूप्स फादर इन लॉ म्हणजे तेजो माव. कळ्ळें? सन ऑफ फादर इन लॉ मीन्स अनूप्स ब्रदर इन लॉ म्हणजे अनुपाल्या बायलेलो भाव. कळ्ळें? अनुपाल्या बायलेलो भाव कितें म्हणटा? ही इज. इतल्या पर्यंत आमकां मेळ्ळो कोण? अनूप्स ब्रदर इन लॉ. ही म्हटल्यार आतां कोण हांगा? संदीप. ओके, संदीप. सो हाऊ इज संदीप? हू इज संदीप टू अनूप? ब्रदर इन लॉ ओनली. कळ्ळें? हांगा डायग्राम काडपाची कांयच गरज ना. तुमी स्टेटमेंटा थ्रू वयता आनी तुमकां खूबदां दाखयला हें. कन्सिडर माय मिन्स योर सेल्फ. ओके, कोण म्हणटा पळय तुमी स्वता अज्यूम करा की तो तूच म्हणून, तेन्ना तुमकां इजी जातलें. कळ्ळें? हे मिरर इमेज हे तुम्ही स्वतः करपाक शकता. आय डोंट हॅव टू शो यू दिस इज कोर ऑब्जर्वेशन. हांगा स्किल काय ना, कॉन्सेप्ट काय ना, कांयच ना. कोर ऑब्जर्वेशन तुमचे हांगा. कळ्ळें? टायम वेस्ट करचो ना हांगा बेश्टो. सो यू गिवन दिस, यू आर अ रिक्रुटींग मॅनेजर आर इंटरव्यूइंग मयंक. मयंक एक असो मनीस आसा हू इज व्हेरी हार्ड वर्किंग यंग मॅन हू हॅज प्रॉब्लम. ताका प्रॉब्लम आसा इंग्लीश फ्लुएंटली उलोवपाक. बट तेणें स्टडी केला इन वर्नेक्युलर मिडियम स्कूल अँड कॉलेजीस. ठीक मातृभाषा आसपाक शकता तेजी. अमंग द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन्स वॉट वूड यू चूज टू डू इफ युअर कंपनी इज वेकन्सीज. ऑप्शन आमकां कितें दिला? आय वूड हायर हिम एट ऑल कॉस्ट. म्हणजे खंयच्या परिस्थितीन हांव ताका हायर करूनच रावतलो. आय वूड हायर हिम फॉर प्रोडक्शन ऑर फायनान्स जॉब बट नॉट फॉर मार्केटिंग जॉब. दिस इज व्हेरी एब्सर्ड बिकॉज आमी हांगा एक पर्टिक्युलर जॉबाची उलयत ना, आमी उलयता वेकन्सी बद्दल. कळ्ळें? आय वूड आस्क हिम टू इम्प्रूव हिज कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एंड कम बॅक अगेन. हांगा कम्युनिकेशनाचो प्रॉब्लम ना, हांगा आसा लँग्वेजाचो प्रॉब्लम. सो अगेन दिस इज रॉंग. आय वूड हायर हिम फॉर द जॉब ही इज गुड ॲट एंड प्रोवायड ट्रेनिंग इन अदर एरियाज. ओके, ह्यो मातसो इन्क्लुजीव दिसता चड. ओके, सो दीस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हे चड दिसना, हे चड एग्रेसीव दिसता, चड एक्स्ट्रीम दिसता. म्हळ्यार तो थर्ड क्लास सुद्दां आसलो हांव ताका हायर करतलो. दॅट डजंट सावंड प्रोफेशनल एज वेल. इवन इफ तुमी कंपनीन वयता इंटरव्यू करपाक, तुमी कितें नाका जाल्लें उलोवन येता, गाळयो मारून येता, जाल्यार तो मॅनेजर तुमकां घेवचो ना. कित्याक घेतलो? सपोज तुमची बरी फावरा थंय जाल्यार घेवं शकता तुमकां. कळ्ळें? लायक सावंताची फावरा नाल्यार आनी कोणाची फावरा तुमकां घेवं शकता, अदरवायज ना. कळ्ळें? इन अ रो ह्यो मागीर सॉल्व करता. ओके, आय शो यू दीस मे बी इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द व्हिडिओ. जे लेंदी आसा न्हू, मातशें कॉन्सेप्च्युअल आसा तें तुमकां मागीर दाखयता. कळ्ळें? ओके, आमी हो सॉल्व करया आतां. ही आमकां तीच सिरीज दिला. वी आर गिवन द सेम सिरीज. हाऊ मेनी सिम्बल्स इन द गिवन सिरीज आर. हे तुमचे सिम्बल आसा विच आर प्रिसिडेड बाय अ नंबर बट नॉट इमिजिएटली फॉलोड बाय अ लेटर. ओके, हांगा लेटर येवपाक शकना. ओके, सो आमी आतां नंबरात कडेन लक्ष घालया पयलीं. नंबर मागीर सिम्बल. हांगा पळोवया. नंबर, सिम्बल बट नॉट लेटर. दिस इज सॅटिस्फायड. ओके, किंवा तुमचो नंबर, सिम्बल बट नॉट लेटर हे जावचें ना, कित्याक हांगा लेटर आयला. तुमचो नंबर तेच्या मागीर लेटर आयला, सो ह्यो जावचो ना. तुमचो नंबर लेटर आयला, ह्यो जावचो ना. ह्यो तुमचो नंबर आनी लेटर आयला, हो जावचो ना. नंबर, सिम्बल, ह्यो तुमचो नंबर, सिम्बल, ह्यो जातलो सॅटिस्फाय. तुमचो नंबर, सिम्बल आनी लेटर आयला, ह्यो जावचो ना सॅटिस्फाय. तुमचो नंबर, सिम्बल आनी लेटर आयला, सो दोनूच जाता. ओके, हाऊ मेनी सिम्बल्स? ओनली 2 सिम्बल्स, दॅट इज बी. ओके, इवन दिस इज व्हेरी इजी. कोर ऑब्जर्वेशन. प्लीज डू दिस बाय युअर सेल्फ. हांगा तुमकां एक ट्रीक दाखयता हांव. 4 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग 5 आर अलायक इन अ सर्टन. म्हटल्यार एक आसा तो तुमचो ऑड वन आउट आहा. वीच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट बिलोंग टू द ग्रुप. ओके, डज नॉट बिलोंग टू द ग्रुप. आमकां एक पॅटर्न दिला OVN5. सी ह्यो O आनी 5 मदीं न्हू एक लेटर येता. ओके, सिमिलरली CN 3 पळोवया. C आनी 3 मदीं एक गॅप येता. ओके, FN7 पळोवया. FN7 मदीं सुद्दां न्हू FN7 मदीं सुद्दां एक गॅप येता. बट 4 and L तुमचो 4 आनी L हे वांगडा येता. सो दिस इज द ऑड वन आउट. ओके, सिंपल. चड तकली पिड्यार करपाची गरज ना. ओके, इवन फायंड द मिसींग नंबर. आमी 38 - 21 करून पयल्यार आमकां 16 मेळटा. 16 19 प्लस 3 जायना 61 14 चड पयस जातलें सो हें जावचें ना. आमी एक काम करया 8 प्लस 3 कितले मेळटा आमकां 11 9 प्लस 1 10 हे एड करतकीर आमकां 21 मेळटा. सिमिलरली 5 प्लस 4 9 0 प्लस 9 ह्यो 9च दोगांय मेळून 18 जाता. ओके दोगांय मेळून 18 जाता. सो ओके 18 जाता. सो ह्यो आनी ह्यो रॉंग जातलो. हेंच्या मदीं आमकां सिलेक्ट करपा येता. सिमिलरली 7 प्लस 9 16 प्लस 8 आमकां 24 मेळटलो. सो 8 4 प्लस 6 जाल्यार 8 जायना 4 and 4 8 जाता. सो दीस इज योर आन्सर. ओके which pair does not belong with the others. See एक कोर ऑब्जर्वेशन आसा 72 इज अ मल्टिपल ऑफ 36 बट बाकी खंयचोच मल्टिपल तुका दिना. 12चो मल्टिपल 42 इज नॉट अ मल्टिपल ऑफ 12 82 इज नॉट अ मल्टिपल ऑफ 14 सिमिलरली 64 इज नॉट अ मल्टिपल ऑफ दिस. सो योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज D only. Okay we have given 18 17 30 47 68 8 plus 9 is your 17, right? Yes, 17 plus 13, this is 17. So what is happening over here? Plus 4, this plus 4 gives 21, again plus 4 will give 25, and 8 5 3 6 7 93. Okay, so 93 is your correct answer. We are given no fan is AC, no AC is a cooler, and all lights are coolers. Conclusion we have given no fan is a cooler. Fan आणि कुलरामध्ये आमकां काय रिलेशन मेळना. So we don't know anything about this. So this conclusion is wrong as of now. No AC is a light. Okay, no AC is a light. We are given that no AC is a cooler and कुलरा भितरूच light येता. So of course no AC is a light. This is correct. No cooler is a AC. We are given that no cooler is a AC. So this is correct. Okay, so 2 and 3 is correct. 2 and 3 is correct. ओके अगेन थोड्या वेळा पयलीं हांवें तुमकां समजयल्लें की टेबल काडून तुमी करपाचें. तुमकां परत दाखयता टेबल काडून करपा. ही आमी विटनस वन टू 3 4 हे 5 विटनसाचें नांव. ओके we have short, we have short, we have thin, we have old, we have young, we have stout, and we have tall. Okay, witness 1 says that this is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so witness 1 says that he was short, he was thin, he was old. Fine. Witness 2 he says that he was tall, he was thin also, and he was young also. Witness 3 says that he was short, he was stout, and he was young as well. Witness 4 says that he was tall, he was stout, but he was old also. Witness 5 also says he was tall, he was stout, and he was young. So we need to see the maximum like votes for which like feature of that person has been given. We have 3 for tall, we have 3 for stout, and we have 3 for young. So this is your answer: young, stout, and tall. Where is young, stout, and tall? This one, option D. Okay, you have to solve using table only, otherwise there's no way you can get this answer right. I'll solve this later. Okay, we are given one relation BOQD and ERTG. BCDE, B plus 3 OPQR, so plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Similarly ANPC, A plus 3 ABCD, NOPQ, DQ. So you get this answer, option D. You don't have to solve further. Once you get first 2 letters, it's enough, because all the letters are very unique, that's why. A series of book was published. Okay, a series of book was published at 7-year interval. Means every 7 वर्सांनी तेंच्यांनी तो बुक पब्लीश केला. सम 7-year interval आमी अज्यूम करया ह्यो आतां केला, मागीर 7 वर्सांनी परत केला, यो परत आणि 7 वर्सांनी 14. ओके, यो मागीर आणि 7 वर्सांनी 21 प्लस मोर 7 वर्सांनी 28 प्लस मोर 7 वर्सांनी 35 प्लस मोर 7 वर्सांनी 42. हे इक्वल्स टू कितले दिला? 13,524. सी तुम्ही वायाचो व्हॅल्यू काढलो तुमकां आन्सर मेळटलो. ठीक आहे. सो हांगा तेंच्यान ऑप्शनान सी दिला. सो यू वील गेट 1911. आय वील नॉट सॉल्व दिस बिकॉज इट इज कॅल्क्युलेटीव एंड आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू वेस्ट टायम. यू जस्ट हॅव टू सॉल्व दिस थिंग. सी तुमकां वाय मेळटलो 7y प्लस कितें तरी मेळटलें तुमकां इक्वल्स टू 1354 मायनस दॅट व्हॅल्यू अँड कॅल्क्युलेट द व्हॅल्यू फॉर वाय. ठीक आहे. इतलें तरी तुमी करपाक शकता. Select the one which is different from the other three responses. Okay, 25 plus 43 we get 68. 28 plus 43 we get 71. We get 16 over here. 43 plus 16 and 32 plus 19. So we know that this and this, they are prime numbers. Okay, and this is not a prime number, this is a co-prime number. So your C is odd one out. Okay, I'll solve this later because this is also a bit logical one. You need a lot of explanation. I will explain you this later. Okay. Sohan drove 10 kilometers to the east from his house. 10 kilometers to the east from his house. From then he turned right and drove 20. Then he turned west and drove 25. And finally right covering 20. How far is 10 kilometers away? How far is he? 25 minus 10, it is 15. Okay. So this distance is 15. Even this something you can solve by yourself. The answer is this only. Answer is B. Okay. Even I would request you to solve this by yourself. The same alphanumeric series they have given, just they are changing the data and nothing else. Okay. So you solve this by yourself. I hope you will solve this because something also you should solve by yourself as well. Okay. This is nothing. How many odd numbers are there followed? If this is an odd number, it is followed by a symbol but not immediately preceded by a letter. Okay, there won't be a letter, there will be something else. But if this is an odd number, there will be a symbol. Okay, so you have to see this pattern. And here starts the comprehension. I will solve this in the next video, and definitely I will solve this because this is something I really want to explain to you guys. Okay, so far if you like the video, please let me know and do keep supporting me like this, the way you have been keep supporting. And Dev Bare Guru.